Cool. Pontiac G8. Yep, looks like it. Yes, sir. Oh, that's a 6-cylinder. Complete garbage. Look at this one. I wonder what car this is. Triumph. Yeah, this is a really tiny car, dude. Honestly, never heard of this one before. It's a cute car though. This is right there. Oh, looks like someone's project car. Actually, look at the hood right there. Carburetors, the whole jazz. Pretty cool car though. If anyone knows, please let me know. I'm not really that big into 80s cars. Which one? Eclipse? Mitsubishi. Honestly, I'm not even that big into Mitsubishi right now. Extra 50 horsepower. 2 Acura. Oh, I see a Prelude. Nice. Unfortunately, this is the 5th gen. I have the 4th gen, but technically my motor is from the 5th gen, so I could party. I'm pretty sure I could take something from there. Nonetheless, look at this beauty. Oh. Honestly, the 3rd gen Acura TLs by far are the best versions in my opinion. I feel like they just have the best looks. Look at that. Oh man, which one's this one? Oh my god, it has headers. H22A4. I have the H22A, but wow, I'm gonna take these headers. Anything else? No, stock suspension. Let's see the inside. No, not even manual, automatic. But someone already took the ECU, as you can see there. I am gonna take this header because it looks like it doesn't fit the exact same head. I mean, it is, you know, it's still an H22. It's just obviously it changes by varieties and whatnot. Little stuff changes. Anyways, I don't know if you guys remember, but my Schrader fan also was broken, and I think I'm gonna take this because this seems to be intact still. So I am definitely gonna take that. What else was I gonna take? Oh yeah, something. It looks like somebody was in a rush because look, somebody removed that. I got my ratchet. I'm just gonna remove the gasket because we're gonna take that. Honestly, the fact, actually this is a really good find. I actually was gonna buy some headers from someone else, but man, these are pretty good condition. Obviously, besides like the rustiness and whatnot, I'm gonna keep these. I'm probably just gonna wrap them, but I mean, considering the fact that we also have the lower section of it, honestly, it is just plug and play. Oh wow, that's gonna look so sick. All right, cool. I'm gonna take this. Sick. Cool. All right. Second part that we need to take off is going to be the Schrader fan, but I'm pretty sure, you know what, I'm going to take the hose as well because it's in pretty good condition. Pretty much 2 10mm for the Schrader fan, obviously just some pliers, and I think we should be all good from this Prelude. I don't think I'm going to take anything else, or I probably might just take some goodies. Yeah, I think I might do that. Honestly, this is my second hose that I went through in the past 4 years or 3 years that it was standing, because obviously the recent one that I replaced, the old one, it got slashed right here. I don't know how, the point is from the crash obviously. And the second time, pretty much, I think I had him a distributor, I don't remember what, but something sliced into it, of course, and well, I had to get a different one. But if I can take this one, I will be happy. Okay, just wiggle it around. Nice. Let's wiggle this around. Cool, nice. All right, now we got a hose. Let's just move this out of the way. There we go, nice. Yeah, this is it. This is the one that I was having so much trouble finding, especially because it broke from here. Nice. All right, cool. I think it'll be good just for the sensor itself. So let's go ahead and get some pliers and cut it off. Okay. There we go. Cool. That being said, I don't think I'm gonna take. Well, I'm gonna take this. You can never go wrong with these little clamps or whatever. You know, you could just kind of run like a little wire or with another hose. Let's check the inside. Maybe they put some goodies in there for us. Climate control. I see. Actually, the roof buttons are the exact same ones too, but I don't really need it. They go right here. That being said, airbag module right there. They got the spare wheel. Yeah, I think this is pretty much it. All right, cool. Let's go ahead and remove this real quick. Okay. And then just pop it out. Boom. Should I take this? What do you guys think? Should I take that? Should I leave it? You know what? We'll leave that. I really just kind of need the light. Pop it out. Alright. Yeah, I don't know about that, buddy. Wait a minute. No, right? Nah, there's no way. Could it be? I had a... Wait, could this car actually have been supercharged? I don't think so. Or unless I'm fucking completely blind and I'm missing something, but... Huh. I mean... This throws me off. This right here throws me, like, off. Completely. So it could be that these struts are actually from the car. So it actually could be possible that they're TRD. Does it have the TRD exhaust though? That's a real question. Alright, yeah, this fucking car. Okay. So I'm kind of perplexed. I'm not gonna lie. I don't know, they just put the badging and whatnot. But the TRD comes like really different. You know, it has like some significant like differences. For example, right here, I think it would have said TRD. That being said, I like how they added the little premium fuel only sticker. I haven't seen those on actual TRD cars. That being said, I could be completely wrong, right? So just take the thing with a grain of salt. So we got the TRD right here. I'm gonna take that for safekeeping. But I think this is an actual TRD exhaust. I'm not so sure anymore because I remember I was looking for a TRD exhaust and I couldn't find one. But I mean, it could be. I'm not so sure. I think it is because the welding right here, it looks too good for it to be welded on there. So I don't think they just welded on the tip. I think this is actually a whole TRD exhaust. Oh yeah, look, it even has a red sway bar. I think that was something that came onto the TRDs and whatnot. So I found this TSX, right? Let's see, look at the banners. No street racing. Oh yeah, bro. Hell yeah. Automatic. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. K-Series only, bro. K-Series Nation, dog. Oh, look, an Acura TL. This is a newer version, of course. Obviously. Yeah, but nothing much.